Let me rock you to the break of day. Dance with me, talk to me, boy. No disrespect, I don't mean no.
Hey guys, good morning. I just want to scrub my face. Like I haven't scrubbed in a while. These things you don't take it like as a lifestyle or something that you intentionally do. It's not easy to forget. Simple things like scrubbing your face, doing your pedicure, your me time. I'm so big on all this me time, like all these little things, because life is tough. So any little thing to improve the quality of my life, I'm gonna do it. So if you want to get this collagen eye mask, I'm gonna put my link on Jumia so you can buy. After I gave birth, this place was so dark. I wish there was like a skincare brand that was existing. Like, you know, when you give birth, all this place would be dark. This your neck will be so, like, I'm a dark person, I'm not fair. Like, but let's imagine blacking now, extra black. It's not nice. It's not nice at all. Anyway. Okay, I'll see you later. I'm doing something. Yes. See, children don't want to hear that my mommy is resting. I always want to come and know what you are doing. If it's possible for him to come inside here now, he go come inside. What he wants to. And go and watch your cartoon. Okay.
Did you say okay?
Yes, I said okay. Somebody should tell me what causes this line here. What is the cause of it? Let me wash off my face. I'll talk to you guys when I'm done. Before I started using Nivea, I've been using like cocoa butter and jeggings, and I began to use Nivea, and I think it's bad. Like, it's really very moisturizing. Let's see how it's. I used to take small, but use small. What is your favorite? Which one do you prefer? I don't prefer this one. This one I prefer. So I've been using lactin on my face for a very long time now. I think it's the second year There was a year that I had like really bad acne, and this my neck used to be so dark from child birth and all of that. So I've been using this lactin, and it has been good. Like, it's even almost finished, because shout out to Julian. Julian gave me two people that love me. She gave me two. This is the second one. So when I rub my, if I'm not like doing like serious makeup, when I rub my lactin, I use tested and trusted Vaseline. Like I say, I use Vaseline. I just rub on my face, then, and I've not struggled with acne. Glory of God. My chocolate skin remains, and this is the sunscreen. So I should always put on sunscreen, but I don't really like this brand. I think it's high time I change it, because it leaves a cast. But this is the last thing. I just rub it all over the face. See the cast that is leaving. Let me rub it in such a way that when I dress up, I'm not going to be looking like, oh, you Caraba. Forgot to put Vaseline on my mouth. Like, yeah. So if you want to buy any of this, I'm going to put a link in my description box, as well as the pinned comments. Okay, so let me dress up. Yeah. Let me take it on near you guys. Okay. So I'm dressed to stay at home. I'm not going anywhere. But am I the only one that loves to spray body spray when you're at home? Just for good measure, press down, shaking together. Anyway, I want to do my nails. Okay. So you guys need to do my nails with me. Something. I hope this thing is still. Oh, there's still something inside. Okay, let me see where to put you on. I don't know where I'm gonna put you on. This cup, I got it from YouTube. I don't even wear it as much. I've had my bath. Let me wear my. Yesterday, you guys, I did 10,000 steps. Hey, I was so excited. I was so proud of myself that I did that. Like, I did that. Oh my God, it felt so good, you know, like when you. So today I've done 1,633. I've really not gone anywhere. I've just been indoors. Yeah, so they do me like make I raise my leg put for this table when they're in front of me, but that's good. my whole wheat. I think this is more like cookies than it is bread, to be honest. It's ready. This one is a bit burnt, but let me taste it. Not bad. Not bad. So this is what the place looks like right now. Gotten the table, chair, the backdrop, and this wall is still bare. I intend to put like TV here. So this is where we are right now. Yeah. So this is okay. I think I should do a video before I go. Let me just do a video. Taxaya. Guys, I've been here all day. Calling my friend. I've been here all day. Look at my studio, you guys. I'm so excited. I've not done like a proper tour. That's gonna come because there's still a lot, okay, that needs to go into this place. Because I'm not going to be using it alone. I'm going to be renting it out for small business owners. Okay, so if you are based in Abuja, you're based in Kubwa, Biaji, Dede, Mandala, all those areas, you can come to the studio to create content. Okay, you don't have to use all those crappy backgrounds. There's still a lot to be done. I still need to get like a fashion shelf, fashion rack, okay, for fashion business owners. I also want to set up like an office type of setup here for people who are into like courses, coaches, those type of things. They want to come and create content here. So yeah, that's where we are right now. Let me put this one here. That's where we are right now. So you just need to just show up. We'll provide lights, basically for you, different types of lights. Okay, we are going to have like colored lights, plain lights, so depending on your budget and your pockets, but there's something for everybody. You guys, I'm so tired. We had issues with the light. I told you guys this morning that, let me say it, that I had a chat with my partner manager. This place is dark, that side is dark. Okay, this is brighter. I had a chat with my partner manager. And one of the things that they said to me was to carry my audience along. I need to learn how to do that because that's typical Tokwe. Typical Tokwe doesn't talk, doesn't share. So yeah. Would you love to come and play games here? Because we're going to be playing a lot of games. Okay, so if you're going to be interested in playing games, family games, just good vibes. You know, Tokwe is about bringing joy. Tokwe Banks brand is about happiness, togetherness, life of the party. So yeah, games, good memories, developing good memories. So we're going to be doing all of that in this space. So if you are based in Abuja and you are going to be interested in coming on our game show, I'm so excited. Hey, I'm so excited. If you are going to be interested in coming on our game show, I'm going to put the email, okay? So with your family, you can come and play games with your family, a gaming show with your family. I look forward to hosting you all, okay? And just bringing joy and happiness to your screens, to your telephones, to your TVs. It's going to be back to back. Okay, you guys, let me be on my way home. I I still have to bring in lights in here. I've not gotten the lights, so let me bring the lights. We're going to have a lot of fun and make a lot of money in this space in the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you all later. Bye.